Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can combat low commission rates and still build niche sites that make you really good money. This is just one of the things that you can do, so I'll do a few videos on this because there's quite a lot of stuff that you can do if you want to explore other areas for higher commissions. Now the beauty of it is there's so many affiliate programs out there that all you need to do is pick another affiliate program. That's the first option and the easiest option. I'll show you what I mean, and I'll show you some of the best affiliate program providers or the affiliate program marketplaces that you can sign up for quite quickly. I recommend that before you do this you've got a site ranking, so it works better because a lot of them will ask what site are you going to promote this stuff on, and you need something to show them a lot of the way. But I'll explain exactly what I mean. So you can see here Amazon affiliates is still well worth taking advantage of. I still use it a lot, and it's got really good commission rates, and because it's got rid of a lot of the competition because they've messed about with their commissions, you can still take advantage of that. And if you're worried about it, you can go for higher priced products and all of that stuff. So there's some really good niches. The other benefit of Amazon is the fact that you've actually got you've actually got with Amazon more, it's like the highest e-commerce site. So with e-commerce sites you've got, it's like the number one, so more people will use Amazon than ever before. So you've got that compared to other sites. Other sites just don't have the clout that Amazon's got. That said, let me get into the video. So what I mean by this is you can see here all the commission rates. Let's say you wanted to promote something PC and PC components and so on, or DVD and Blu-ray. Well, if you go for Amazon, they're going to pay a lower commission rate. Okay, and then when we get down to TVs, they're going to pay a lower commission rate. So one of the really easy things that you can actually do is get a better affiliate program, and I'll show you how to do this really simply, and I'll show you this niche so you can see. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is use a different affiliate network for your site, and you can do that because you'll have the site. It's still worth doing, and I'll give you some of the, there's loads of them, but I'll give you some of the main ones that I've used that are really good. So the first one, you'll want to write this down, is Affiliate Window, which is actually awin.com, awin.com. This one is automatically defaulting me to the UK, but it's got USA as well, and it gives you all sorts. You can see here, here's PCs straight away. So that I was talking about, that like PCs, and they actually pay you a commission to refer people to them, and in most cases it will work out more than Amazon. The other thing that you can do is when you log in here, you'll be able to see, you know, the popular affiliate programs, how much you make per sale and how popular they are. So you can even spot other niches as well. So that's just one of them. Awin, affiliate window, AWIN. Another one that is really good, Share a Sale. Now that is part of affiliate window, so I'm not sure, to be honest, whether they are just exactly the same in terms of the merchants that they give you access to, but I've always used them separately. So I've got a Share a Sale account and I've got an affiliate window account as well, and they give you you know, loads on here that you can pick from in loads of different niches. So what you want to do first of all, if you're looking for a different affiliate network, is just sign up for these sites. As long as you've got a site, it's free to do so, and you'll have a, in most cases you will find that these merchants will pay more per sale. And if you've got a product that's very you also want to take a look at the individual merchants, and you can find products that are really popular in their own right. So if you find something like this, which is Pillow Cube, okay, so if you find something like this and it's really popular and a lot of searches for it, then it's a great one to go for. So you can find actually products that you can't find anywhere else on these networks that will pay you a lot of money. The other thing to bear in mind is, because you're not dealing with Amazon now, and we're sort of moving into other stuff, they will always give you different terms. So you can see here, Pillar Cube offers commissions on all before tax purchases made using the provided affiliate link. We offer a 1-day cookie window, and the commission will be calculated based on the pre-tax price, and it'll tell you as well. And then you've got affiliate payouts are sent monthly through PayPal, so they give you all the information and you can reach out to them. But it's really good way of doing it. Another really good one is Commission Junction. This used to be massive a good few years ago. I was actually speaking the other week about this. One of the biggest things I did with this as an affiliate was Jessica Simpson hair extensions, and they sold really well. And this was the network that I used to build a blog, Jessica Simpson hair extensions, and it did really well. And that's what the program was on. So another really good one that I've used, and there's plenty more as well. So you can there's some of the main ones. You've got WebGains that you can check out, and loads more. Okay, so that's the first thing. If you found a niche that's got a low commission rate on Amazon but it's a good niche, don't give up on it. See if there's any of these networks that have vendors and merchants in that area that you can sign up for as an affiliate, and in most cases get paid via PayPal or straight into your bank just through another affiliate program. The other thing that you can do, which is really cool, is this. If you've got a very specialist site, or you're going into a specialist site like gaming PCs and so on, one of the things I recommend you do is actually type into Google gaming PC affiliate program and have a look about. Or the other thing is if you know the gaming PCs that you're reviewing and so on, you could even contact the site and see if they do an affiliate program. The other thing you could do if you want to get more fancy, which would be a drop shipping arrangement where you're actually selling the PCs, in this case from your site, and they're giving you a cut of the commission for selling them from your site. Or sorry, a cut of the price for selling from your site. But to keep it simple, a lot of them will offer affiliate programs and so on. So it does help if you've got a really good brand. I know that Alienware have got an affiliate program. I know that Dell Computers have got an affiliate program, and that is a really good way of doing it. So what I'm trying to say with this video is, as long as you can rank sites via SEO, that's the main skill that you've got. Okay, and you can go into any affiliate program. You don't have to stick with Amazon. They work in exactly the same way. When you build your site and you SEO it and you set it up, I'll just show you. So here's the good old zero turn mower that is linking through to Amazon at the minute. But I could quite simply link through to any affiliate program. Okay, all I'd have to do is replace the links, and that's what I mean. Really simple to do, and you can just link through to anything and get a better commission rate if you want to. Okay, you have got some benefits with staying with Amazon. They're more well known, people are more comfortable using them. But for a quick wrap up, those are the main other sites that I recommend. Also check out Google directly for affiliate programs in your niche. The other thing is go to the top websites in your niche that you'd like to be an affiliate for, check if they've got an affiliate program, and even consider calling them, and you will be I've done that many times going back a number of years. I actually did that in the UK here with a company called Merencourt that did gaming stuff, and this is going right back. This was before drop shipping was a thing. And I actually arranged a deal with them to set up an eBay shop when eBay was really big, and they said, yeah, you can sell our stuff through your eBay shop, and you sell it for the prices that you want within reason, and they capped it. And if I sold a computer keyboard for like £25 and it only cost me 20 to buy from them, I keep the other £5. Okay, so really a bit more complicated, but I just wanted to give you some different options that you can take as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated, and I hope you got something from it. Do let me know if you need any help with affiliate programs or any affiliate networks that you know that I've missed, that you know that to be good ones. And if you want to get a site built for you that will actually work and get ranked just like this one. Okay, so it would be built just like this, obviously in a niche of your own, and you get all the links added and you get everything set up for you and completely SEO'd so you can see the stats. do check it out. The link's below. You'll be able to get in. Remember, the coupon code is special and you'll be able to get the discount. So do check that out and it will allow you to get up and running really quick. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Cheers guys.